Hello everyone, in today's video tutorial let's look at how we can create labels on Gmail account. What are labels used for? If you have labels created, you can easily organize your emails that you receive and make it very easy to access those emails. If you look on my screen, you realize that I have a lot of emails from different people. But now how can I ensure that I organize my inbox in such a way that if it is emails from Google, then this email should be in one folder. If it is email from this individual, how can I put it in one folder? If it is from Colibri Studio, how can I put that kind of email in one folder? How do we do that? So to do that, we shall go to the left part of our screen. We scroll down, then here where we see more, we click on this option for more and then scroll down at the extreme bottom. So here we have this option for create new label. So if we want to create new label, for example for all emails coming from ICT Yugi Ogwal, how can we do that? So we click on this create new label, then here you will get this screen, new label. Please enter the new label. So we want all emails from ICT Yugi Ogwal to be in this folder. So we click on the create button. So when we click on the create button, the label will be created as we can see from the screen. How can we access it? We scroll just up and down as you locate for that. So here is that particular label that we created. So in this case, you're going to look for all emails from ICT Yugi Ogwal. So you come and select. Here we have the first email, then here we have the second email. Then after selecting, you are going to move on the top part of your screen where you see move to. So you click on that button and then here you will find some different information, many of them. So you look for the label where you want to move these messages to. So we shall move to ICT Yugi Ogwal. So when you click, they show you to conversation move to ICT Ogwal. You can undo that if you don't want to move those messages. So when we go back to our label, which is this, and we click on it, we shall realize that those two messages are there. So in future, when you're looking for these emails, it becomes very easy by just searching from this side and getting that information you want very fast. For instance, if I want to get all Itao mails, I have a label created here. So I just click on that label, then the label will open and I will be in position to get all those emails from Itao other than searching the entire inbox. So hope this one will help you as well as you organize your inbox. That's it for now. See you in our next tutorial.